Coin's cutting-edge technology has allowed it to sail its way through to some amazing highs over the last 30 days. We have spoken about Coin multiple times, and V2 is around the corner, so things will be getting more bullish for this token most likely in 2024. Let's talk about a price prediction and update in this video. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel, and welcome back for those existing viewers. So we can see we're sitting at 79 cents here for Coin. Look at this, we're trading at around 30 cents, 24, 25, 26 cents in sort of mid-December. And if you look at the last year, this coin has done nothing short of impressiveness, right? It's just absolutely gone parabolic, and we can see that now looking at the charts. Now, I do want to warn some of you guys, if you are potentially new buyers into the Coin, this is quite overbought. It's already looking a little bit risky in terms of its parabolia, large price movements, and it's not yet really had a major correction. So a correction could be on the way. Anyways, let's jump into it. So enabling mass adoption, we can see, of digital assets. Is the fastest layer 1 blockchain designed to scale with the industry. And we can just jump into some news very quickly. We can see, first of all, most foremost, crypto markets are slightly correcting. We're just seeing a slight correction here. Bitcoin has come down to 43k, but overall, is actually one of the strongest performers here over the week. And despite the Bitcoin downtrend, well, not really a downtrend, but the small correction we're seeing, the 5 to 10% correction we're seeing for Bitcoin, we're not really seeing any sort of negative momentum here for the Coin. So here we can see the fastest layer 1 parallelizing the EVM join the community, and I'm really keen to see what's going to happen. So let's just dive in to some key objective points here, some future goals and visions of and the ecosystem, and what is potentially going to happen for this coin. So it says here, the ecosystem is growing so fast they almost forgot to celebrate an important community milestone. Twitter recently hit 600,000 followers, so that's really cool for all the Saiyans out there. That's nice to see the exponential growth. Pioneering for rapid advancement as well. So the cutting edge tech has ramped up processing times, boasting a swift 300 millisecond finality that puts it ahead in the race of blockchain innovation. And what it's also got is front-running bot prevention, which is really big. Now, according to this particular article, they think $1.51 is very possible for Coin in 2024. We can see has just got a $1.8 billion market cap, so a 10x would take that to about $7.80. 2.3 billion tokens are in supply, and just quickly reflecting back to the accessibility of most of the volume is coming through Binance, Coinbase, HTX, Bybit. But it's not yet listed on all exchanges, and not many people are actually talking about this, considering. So you can see here, guys, this is what's really big. The forthcoming V2 upgrade promises to introduce the first parallelized Ethereum virtual machine, amalgamating the best aspects of Solana and Ethereum. Latest upgrade is set to tackle the hurdles of devs face, and you get it. It's called the crypto trilemma, which is effectively a dilemma where when you create a crypto, there's 3 things that make it very essential. You need it to be secure, decentralized, but also fast. So there's 3 things. Usually a blockchain only has 2 of them, and one of them is kind of lagging behind. So let's reflect on 2023 for Coin. Atlantic 2 testnet, strategic raise, Pacific 1 mainnet beta, fastest chain at 390 ms, transaction time finality, 1.1 billion transactions, 0 downtime, parallelize the EVM internally. So 2024 is the year of the dragon, guys. So they are super bullish right here. in 2023 was building the fastest layer 1, and now 2024 for is going to be all about distributing this product and getting it out there to the masses. So 2024 will be a big year for Why? 2024 will be a year for it to make significant advancements in business along with technological process. 4 Pillars also plans to collaborate more closely with the team, not only in research but also in assisting the expansion of the in Korea, both business-wise and ecosystem-wise. So this is really cool. They've got huge momentum in Korea already, and I guess more of Southeast Asia will expand there. But this is really cool to see all the developers that are on board and all the efforts that they're putting together. So yeah, really feeling quite bullish about this particular project, even still after its pump. You can see here, look, Jay said, holy crap, SNS getting almost as many 24-hour registrations as ENS. So this is really bullish. You can see ENS DNS right here. You can see the domain registered 2,308, total registered 1.9 million, unique holders 562k. Look at SEI, 2,000 domain registered. You can see here the total registered and the unique holders versus the ENS up here is tremendously different. So this tells me that we're seeing the growth rate that is similar on the domain registered. However, you know, we're still down on some fundamental numbers right here. So there is huge potential here, and I think 2024 could seriously be a massive year for this SEI project right here. Remember, we've got the upcoming V2 upgrade, EVM integration, and enhanced performance, so it is really a big topic right now. You can also see Jay has said, excited to announce SEI VT, the first parallelized EVM allowing SEI to get the best of Solana and Ethereum, a hyper-optimized execution layer that benefits from the tooling and mindshare around the EVM. So this was actually November 29, so slightly old news, but this is something that was, you know, a catalyst to the pump that we're seeing right now, and it does go deeper into the overall network map and how it all works, you know, through the smart contracts and the actual flow here. So the architecture looks seriously advanced, and for those that do like this sort of thing, this could be a coin that suits you very well. So do a bit of research on it. Now let's quickly just dive into some price analysis, what is going on. I do just want to say, this is outrageously bullish price momentum. We're seeing an ascending channel here. We've not seen any support levels broken. Now I do have myself, I always have a number for if the markets do fall south, and if we see a really bad crash and upheaval in the crypto markets, I always have a backup plan. For me, if SEI comes to 21 cents or around the 15 cents region, I will be buying a lot of this coin, because I really think, you know, there's a lot of valuable support level around here, and it was a nice undervaluation phase. If we do come down that low, I don't know if we will, but we can also look at another support level, a new updated entry zone, which I'll be looking at around this particular range here. So if SEI does actually kind of correct here from what we're seeing from the 79 cents region, I'll be looking to buy back actually first and most, you know, firstly around 40 cents. I won't be waiting considerably just to put everything in at 21 cents. I will actually do a long position and accumulate in DCA around the 40 cents mark to lower my average unit cost here. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see SEI has been 3 green weekly candles. I had 2 corrective candles there, so we could be seeing a corrective candle soon. And if you look at the RSI, you can see it's very much overbought. We're getting rejected usually at the RSI around this particular level, which is about 82 on the RSI. So we could be perhaps pending some downward momentum here. You can see it is a sort of a broadening pattern where we are seeing volatility, so it's possible that we could still see a bit of movement back down for SEI, and then even another pump to the upside. Not saying it will happen, but I'm saying that I think it just makes sense to have a correction for this coin soon. But look at this, regardless of what I'm saying here, regardless of these particular technicals, we can see there's actually a humongous amount of support around that 55 cents level, and this again is more information that we can use. That we know now 54 cents is obviously a key area of support that we are seeing. And another interesting thing is we're getting these small little trading patterns, and every single time we're pumping up to the 1.618 fibs. So if we actually do end up having a bullish breakout instead of this bearish one that we could potentially be seeing, you're looking at a 96-ish cents to $1 price tag. And this can absolutely happen, and it keeps it also following the trajectory in this ascending channel that we can see right here. If we move into the hour, we can see we do have a slight downtrend. We are just slightly moving down, but time and time again, this coin is rebounding. It's bouncing back, and it doesn't stop happening, and it's just going absolutely wild. So really crazy, really crazy. I hope we can see something crazy for this coin in the future. We will do a quick long-term price prediction as well. I mean, look at it, guys. It's sitting pretty at $1.8 billion, and it's not even the top of the bull run. We're nowhere near there yet. Just want to say as well, if you are trading out there and you need an exchange with low fees, please do check out MEXC, get trading, say, do some leverage trading or whatever you enjoy. Use the link down below where you could potentially unlock some trading bonuses and rewards by using my link up to $15,000, and in conjunction with that, enjoy over 500 trading signals per month if you do want to become a patron. So you become a patron, you get the signals, and then you sign up to MEXC, do both at once, and then you can trade straight away. But you can see I've got 7 crypto legend slots here, 9 crypto champion slots. So if you want to get all the technical analysis and all the signals, which you can find in the Discord channel, please do check it out. All the analysts here every single day are posting insights. Just to give you a little hint, by the way, Sherlock is my favorite, and I really think his calls are just insane. And we also have our ultra early announcements in here, where we are calling out new coins that launch before the main media hear about it, right? So it's all about getting in early. So if you like this sort of thing, Patreon is down below. So feeling pretty bullish on this ecosystem. We can see 10 billion tokens. The total supply is capped at 10 bill, 48% for the ecosystem reserve, 9% foundation, 20% on the team, 3% launch pool, private sale investors at 20% as well. So that is something to also acknowledge. There was a private sale here, so one day we don't know what those people could do with the tokens. So it's a lot of people holding the tokens. And yeah, just do some research here, guys, on the token itself. If we have a look as well at the circulating supply, we've got 2.3 billion tokens circulating. The max supply is 10 billion. So at a $1.8 billion market cap, which is what we've got right now for say, we're pricing at 0.79. Okay, so what this tells me, if we were gonna see SEI at $1.8 billion market cap, let's say the price was the same, the valuation was the same. However, let's say we had 10 billion coins now in circulation, you're going to see the price, that's 79 cents, fall by around 4.5%. Sorry, 4.5 times, not 4.5%. So you're going to see the price actually shock and come down to 15 cents, even though the market cap is the same. So I just want to look at the possibility. What if we have every token in supply and we have a $10 billion market capitalization? Then we know that each coin is going to be worth $1. However, if we see a 10x here for say coin, but then every single coin is in circulation, we will have an $18 billion market capital with a $1.8 price tag. So it's just something to acknowledge, and you know, it's always good to know that we have more tokens. You know, the diluted value is going to be, of course, much higher, $7.9 billion. So keep an eye on that as well, keep an eye on the supply, but right now it's looking pretty good to me. And overall, this is the kind of just what I wanted to talk about with SEI. It's looking very, very bullish, but I just don't want you guys to sort of chase the green. If you are already in profit, you know, substantially, don't be afraid to take some sort of profits in these markets, because nothing is guaranteed. We can't see the future ahead, and it's okay to take profits every now and then. So yeah, guys, if you are new here, please do subscribe to the channel, sign up to MEXC, and come and say hi in the Jacob Crypto clan, which is just down below. Thank you so much, ladies and gents. See you soon, and hopefully SEI will keep on flying further. I want to see that $1 mark crumble. That would be amazing. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Bye for now.